So fucking windy today. Feel like I gotta blow off the wave, but yeah. It's that windy. When you paddle, the water just spraying your face out. Crazy, like fucking crazy wind, eh? Feel like fuck, look at my face. Look like an African fucking chihuahua. That's how bad it is. Fuck, the waves is mean, but yeah, just that wind, eh? Fuck, trying to get into the wave, like feel like you got pushed off. Fucking land the biggest shot pop ever though. That was cool. On my 6'2.5", 23 wide. Fuck, that was insane. But yeah, nah, fuck that wind, eh? Just, whoo. You know when you're out there, you know it. Yeah.